going to mart. We will do some grocery shopping first. Nice.
이거 봐줘.
집에 있어. Don't forget to sanitize the cart before use. Actually, we don't have plan what food to cook for 2 days camping. All we think about is just go. We're just so excited to go out the house and go camping. It's been a while. That size. Of course, big size. Small size, no. Not enough small size. It's not panic buying, you guys. This is just how we buy food. And this is only for our camping. Only for 2 days. Piggy. This is a lot of food for just 2 days camping. Machina! Don't touch your mask! Oh my goodness. Hennah, kakamana! Too much food. Why?
How much eating now?
Too much eating na. We got McDonald's. Hi, Nick. Relax first here at the rest place.
아까 뭐라고? 차가 차가워?
Hello, Mama Hug. Meanwhile, father and daughter conversation. Let's listen.
뭐가 보여?
차가 밥 먹고 나는 거.
새가 밥 먹고 날았어?
저기 딸기 저기 보여 있었어.
너무 멋있어. 먹어요.
Wow. Kakung. Done at the rest place. We are going to ride ship now. Camping. 맞아요. Let's go, 야지.
Let's go. 먹어요.
Thank you. That is a store. They're selling stuff for fishing. Arrive, honey.
I'm going to build. I'm your camping work things. I die. In Hennah sleeping, we're going to camping. I Palestine, bye. Bye, everyone in the boat and your out, and we're going to camping.
뭐라고?
양말만.
아, 양말 신고 신발 신자.
왜 멈췄어, 차?
응, 여기 도착했으니까 멈췄지.
Hennah, we are here at
Hansan Island. Hansan Island.
Hambanta.
Hansan Island.
Yay! We are going to install our tent here.